Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of dark circles naturally and easily and quickly. So, I have mentioned in my body shop haul that I'm not a concealer makeup person. Like, if my skin is having flaws, I will try to make it healthy naturally instead of hiding it. So, I have been on this since a long time and I had much more dense dark circles than I have now, and I found something which works really well. So, I had to share that with you. So, let's get started. For that, all that you need is one cucumber and one potato, and you are done with dark circles. So actually potato works much better than cucumber, but I have noticed one thing with the human body, that the more changes, the more variations that you give to the body, the faster the results are. So I suggest that for 1 week use potato, for the next week use cucumber, again potato, cucumber, and once you have achieved your desired result of no dark circles under your eyes, then keep doing it alternate days and then keep reducing the frequency but never stop. Alright, otherwise you might just get them again. And so how do we go about it? First up, you will need an entire potato and then cut thick slices from it, as I have done over here. The potato hand. It's like a potato jigsaw puzzle right now. This is what my potato looked like before I cut into it, and then cut thick slices from it. And the third slice that you cut that into further 2 halves, and then when you go to bed, put these halves down here and the 2 entire slices on your eyes, and then just sleep. And when you wake up, wash the area with water, and then you're done. You will instantly see changes under your eyes, and soon they'll be gone forever. But also, I must warn you that when you're going to cut a potato, you will be left with this much, which will last for 2 more days. Then it will start turning black like this. If you can notice, it is turning black from these areas, and that is because its natural acidic properties in the potato comes in contact with the atmosphere. It does turn black, and you won't believe the last potato, like my last night's potato, was entirely dark black, and I got scared that is the entire potato rotten. But no guys, when you're going to cut through this layer, I'll just show you. Just see the difference. When you will cut through, it'll be as good as a new potato. So as black as it may be, just cut through that layer and you'll have an amazingly nice potato which you can use under your dark circles. And you can just repeat the same process with cucumbers. Cut 3 thick slices, cut the third slice in half, put those halves here, put the entire slices here, and then sleep. And you know how this will benefit you in one more way? You will also get better sleep. That is because these have to be chilled, okay? Do chill your veggies before they go under your eyes and on your eyes. And since they're going to be cold, the heat from your eyes will be absorbed by them. So your eyes will feel the most relaxed ever. So you'll also get a good sleep and dark circles free eyes. And that's a bonus. 1 arrow to a sparrow. That's how we used to say in school. Alright then, I hope this is informative for you, and please give it a thumbs up if you're going to apply it and if you enjoyed the video, and leave any doubts you have in the comment section below. I'm here to help you, and I'll see you guys very soon. Goodbye.